Hello YouTube people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here's my another video. As you know, yesterday we discussed about the introduction of HTML. So the basic structure of HTML we did. We did it in our last video. So today's agenda is to how to save HTML5, how to locate that file and how to open that file and how to use that file on our web browser. In the last point, we discussed about the elements in HTML. What sorts of elements are available over there and what is the use of those elements. So let's begin, guys. Okay, guys. So now I want to save this file in the format of HTML. Let me do it. Just go on the file button or click or simply you can press the Ctrl+S button to save this file. As you can see, there is a window open with the save as, and now you can save this file on the desktop where I'm going to do it. It's on you. The location is depend on you where you want to store your file. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder with the name of HTML, and in this folder I'm going to save my file with the name of index.html. Simply. Look, I saved my file. So yes guys, after successfully saving this file, you guys are able to making your own professional body structure of the website by using HTML codes. Okay, so let me tell you how is it possible. Just locate the folder of this file. As I saved the folder of this file in the desktop, and yeah, here you go. Okay, now and I open it, and here you can see the file with the name of index, and the format of this file is HTML. When I'm open it, it show me the body structure of my web page. Is nothing just because I didn't code anything in my HTML Notepad++. So when I started to code over there, there are the things going to be show. Okay, let me tell you how. So in the very beginning, I'm going to show you with the p tag, which is the paragraph tag, which is used to define the paragraph of article or anything. It can be anything. Okay, so here I'm going to write now. Hi, my name is Ishaan. Now save it and refresh this web page, and guys, you can see on your web page here is a paragraph started showing. So this is how you can create your own website by using different kinds of elements, tags, and so on. Okay guys, so this is all for today. In our next session we will meet soon and we will discuss the things more detailing. We will discuss about the HTML and web designing in more detailing way. Please stay tuned. Good luck. Bye bye. Take care.